We got London on the track.
First you get that money, then you get that power. If he tune in, knows up, but he on that powder. Now you walk around with 50 in your trousers. Diamonds bullying on my.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chuck, aka the Gold Gorilla, with the Secure the Bag Trading YouTube channel, and I'm here to bring you guys some updated content on gold and Great Britain USD. But first, I want to apologize for last week not able to upload a video for you guys. I was celebrating me and my wife anniversary, so we was not home. I was out of town, so that is the reason why you didn't get a video. But if you were tuned in, the trades followed the same structure that I had set up for the previous week. So it was no harm done. If you continue following that trend, you should be in big profits. But without further ado, let's get started. Let's give you guys some updated content on gold and Great Britain USD and see what we got. All right. As you can see, I have gold up already. And 2 weeks ago, I posted we was looking to sell gold from 1804, 1808 area, and we sold right at 1808. Me and my team been in this sales for the last 2 weeks, and gold has almost hit the take profit at this area. So I would say very successfully that we did great on this setup. And now let's see what we got from here. All right. So if you're in this trade now, from the last couple of weeks when I mentioned it, I recommend when the market opens that you take your profit. And I'm going to explain why I suggest taking profits at this area, because now we're at a point where gold could do two different things, either go up or down. It's as simple as that. So let's start cleaning this chart up and we will go from there. So what I would like to see gold, let me jump on the 4-hour really quick here. So let's see here on the 4-hour. I was looking for this to close below this zone from last Friday, but we did not close. So now I'm a little weary about what might happen here. This is going to be a very detailed trade when the market open. What we need to do, we're going to be very precise on our judgment, because the market could go either way, up or down here, honestly. And what I want to see, only because the market didn't break this area, I want to see a small pullback. Just my opinion. But my opinion really doesn't matter. If the market want to keep dropping, it will. So we have these two suggestions here. And I'm going to jump back on the daily so we can chart this out. We have a slight little trend going here. So I would like to see this definitely pull back up here. So yeah, I think we have two scenarios. I'm liking this right already. I think we're going to get a pullback here. Let's jump back on a daily. Yeah, nice little structure. Only because this did not break, I don't see. I just need gold to do a little trickery for everybody to kind of trick everybody up. If you're in this sale, like I said, you can either hold. Man, let me take that back. You can either hold it. But if it comes back up, that's a lot of money you're going to be giving back to the market. So I personally suggest, and I would be doing, is closing my trades. I am not giving that much money back to the market because this really could come back to this zone here. And we have, I said 2 scenarios, but I actually see 3 now. So this is what I see. Gold coming back here and then possibly coming back down. And if it comes here, I'm sure it will break that 1740. But at the same time, 1740 is my break threshold. So I'm going to have a sell stop. And I'll write all that here. Let's see here. Let's go. Okay. So this is what I want to see. You know, I like to type everything out. Sell stop. So you guys can go back and say, he wrote everything out for us and told us exactly what we need to do, and we did not follow. It's the reason why we didn't make any money. Or you could say, I followed every instruction he had, and I made a whole lot of money. So that's not 0. Sorry. Silence. Just give me a second. I'm updating some information here. I want to see this. Let's make that a little smaller so it can fit. This is what I want to see. Honestly, the perfect trade would be just to kind of sit on your hands right now. But I know that's a hard process to do. So this first take profit will be at 720. As you can see, this is our support, major support, and then our second major support will be down at 1700. So if gold comes back here, this is really tricky here. It's gonna either come to this zone and sell, which I'm just gonna move this out the way because it's just too much going on. Because I like my charts clean as possible. But you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say here with the trend line. But either gold's gonna come here, sell, or it's gonna come back to this zone. And it probably most likely will touch it. So it probably will get back in this area. I like what I'm seeing right in this, right where I have this green line. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So I will say around that area, 1780 area. But the most safest trade is to wait for the sell stop on this trade. But if you get a pullback, I would look to definitely be here, and stop loss will be at right above this area. So around 1809 area will be the stop loss. All right, let's move this because let's move some stuff around, get this clean up. And this is our setup for gold next week. Right here, this whole area is our setup. And you have 3. Either wait for the sell stop, small pullback, then sell, or we're going to get back in a 1780 zone, and then we're going to sell. And I will go back and show you why, based off of the dollar movement we have. All right, let's see. And I'm not looking to buy gold unless this area is broken. I'm not looking to buy gold until 1809 is broken. It just, this is a no trade zone really. But overall, I'm looking for sales next week on gold. So if you honestly, like I said, you can, if you're already in the sale, you can hold this sale, but don't be surprised if you get a pullback, and then you're gonna be really upset that you left all this money on the table. But it is the safest trade just to hold. But me, I like to double dip. I like to secure my profits. That's the reason why the name of this YouTube channel is Secure the Bag, because we secure our profits. All right. And I would take it here. And if it's going to move, it's going to move fast when the market opens. It's going to shoot up here, whatever, and then come down, or it's going to come through and blast through this 1740 area. But this is the most safest trade. You're giving up maybe close to 75 pips. I mean, it's worth your insanity, because you don't want to be in the wrong direction. So if you want to just take profit, wait for the sell stop, it's the best bet. And after that, what I'm looking for here, we come to the zone, and this applies to all three trades. Once we come to the zone, I'm looking for a small pullback back to close to 1740, 1738 area that we broke. And then I want to see this trade continue back down, definitely to this zone. And once we hit here, we could possibly look for another buy opportunity. But overall, this will be the sell stop. If this break, if you buy here, this will be the sell stop. We will continue down. And I hope this makes sense to everybody. This is my layout on gold right now for the upcoming week. I want to say look to buy here. I really, really want to say look to. It's going to be risky though, but I'm going to put the quote anyways. $1,716. Honestly, I really want to see this break too, just because I was looking at the weekly earlier. And look at this. This is just, gold has been consistently coming to this zone. And I'm sure if you go back further, we can still look at this multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that gold has hit this point. I really want to see this break, honestly. And if we get a pullback here, this break is coming soon. It's just ridiculous. But if we don't get the break, gold will definitely come back up. So I would suggest, to be honest, with you guys here, I'm trying to be as transparent as I can. I would definitely be looking to buy here, but my lot size is going to be very small, and the lot size, if this hits, that will close, but the lot size at this point will be bigger, which make up the profit I lost here and continue making more profits going down, if that makes sense. But if I'm right and this buy is here with a small lot size, as this continue going up, we will continue layering and adding more lots to this buy, because this will be a very potential setup for a lot of money made. But something in my stomach is telling me that this is ready to break. But we will definitely be seeing this setup. So don't focus so much on this at the moment. Let's get through this scenario. So let's get down to this 720 area, and then we're gonna push up and look to get the 1700 area. And being realistic, if at this point you should be very happy for the week with your profits. So if it gets here, close profits, it's the best thing. Just sit on your hands and wait till the new week start, because anything in this area, it's going to be a lot of fakery going on. We don't really know what's going to happen until we get a solid closed candle, and then we'll know if we're going to go up or down. So, but if you're like a risk taker, you want to take it, look to buy around this area. Stop loss is right here at 1670, and go for it. All right, we spent enough time on gold. Make sure you get a screenshot of this. Like I said before, this is the play I'm circling right now. And let's jump on Great Britain USD. All right, Great Britain USD. We like to trade this on a weekly, so let me change over. Again, I apologize for not making a video last week, but it didn't really matter because the week prior I gave you guys a setup, and I said Great Britain USD setup, sell here. If you sold, you should have took profit here. I was looking for it to buy here, but it still broke through. I still want to see Great Britain USD go up a little bit before it decides to continue selling. But since it broke through that area, I don't really see it going up that much higher now, which is a good thing. So, but if you did bought here, we will be able to get you out of this trade. And again, like I said, I apologize for not making a video, but honestly, this has happened. Let's clean this up here. I'm gonna move this down here. So this is what I want to see for Great Britain USD. Since it broke this area now, I want to see it possibly come up back here maybe. And then I want to see Great Britain USD continue selling, because this is the zone we're going to. All right, so, but really we have to get ready for the worst case scenario. Excuse me. We have to look for the worst case scenario on Great Britain USD. So, maybe if this, it's going to be a quick pump and dump. If this goes up and drop, but if it continue going up, Great Britain will pull back, possibly to this zone. But overall, we are looking to sell. If you're still holding a sell, again, you can just keep holding, but just know that the market may pull back up when you could have just closed your profits and took it and double dipped and made more money. But this is what I have for Great Britain USD for next week. This is the play I will be looking for overall. I don't want to see it come up too much further, only because I'm expecting the DXY dollar to reverse soon, and I'm gonna show you that. But yeah, this is what I have for Great Britain USD. Go up slightly, possibly to 1900 area. But if this breaks here, 19,500 maybe, we can look to see Great Britain continue upward. I'm gonna just put a red line right here. Let's say probably around this area. Yeah, so if that breaks, look for this to continue going up. All right, enough time on Great Britain USD. Make sure you get a screenshot of this. Yeah, let's move over to the DXY so we can show you guys why we are coming up with this scenario. All right. And if you follow my videos, my YouTube channel, you would know that I mentioned that we will be buying the dollar here. It broke through a little bit, came down and retested, but overall it did what we wanted it to do. And that's why we was selling gold in Great Britain USD, because we knew the dollar would come up to this point. I told you guys to watch this area, and if you watched it last week, we was getting a little pressure here. Thought we was going to get a sale, but it broke through. So once it broke through, we knew that gold and Great Britain USD would continue selling, and we got to our point we needed. So now, updates we have here. So overall, I want to see Great Britain USD now is to come back. If not here, it could go here too. And then we can get us buy from this point up to probably around this area. We can get the dollar to buy up in this zone here. So And from there, I would like to see this come back down. Let's just say back here for now. That is my play on the dollar. And if this is breaks, I don't know what will be pushing the dollar up this high, but it's a lot going on in the world right now. So anything is possible. But just know if this breaks and keep pushing, just look to continue selling Great Britain USD and gold until you can't sell anymore. I mean, it is what it is. We can't control the market. We can't change and control what's going on in the world. But what we can do is set ourselves up to success on how we're going to make this money. All right, so this is the dollar. This was going to drive what we want to do with the gold and Great Britain USD. So make sure you monitoring this also. Let's see what's going on with oil. Oil still doing its thing. As I mentioned before, I want to see oil to come back down to this area. So we are still holding our sales from this break. You can put your stop loss at entry and just keep holding. Good luck on this trade as well. And I'm excited because I am looking forward to the gas prices to drop because I like to travel. And I'm sure some of the viewers on here like to travel too. And they're also looking for the gas prices to drop. So let's keep on pushing this market down, please. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for joining my YouTube channel. Again, I apologize for not uploading a video for my subscribers that looking to see my videos once a week. But it really didn't matter, as I said, because the trades played out as perfect as we could chart them. It did exactly what we wanted. But if you're looking to join my Signal group, you can find my information in this description. If you're looking to purchase a journal to track your information for trading, you can find that here. If you just want to reach out to me, you can find my information also in the description. Make sure you like this video today and make sure you subscribe and make sure that you push out my information to your family and friends so they can also jump in and make these ducats, dollars, money, moolah, whatever you want to call it, with you. Thank you again and look forward to talking to you guys next week. Chuck is out, aka the Gold Gorilla.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what.